खुश रहो। दिस इज जेवीएन डॉक्टर ब्रजराज सिंह चौहान, एसोसिएट प्रोफेसर, ज्योति विद्यापीठ, वोमेंस यूनिवर्सिटी जयपुर। प्रोग्राम बीकॉम ऑनर्स, थर्ड सेम, कोर्स बिजनेस मैथमेटिक्स एंड स्टैटिस्टिक्स। एंड सेशन ऑफ टुडे इज नॉन प्रोबेबिलिटी सैम्पलिंग और नॉन रैंडम सैम्पलिंग। नॉन रैंडम सैम्पलिंग, first of all, sampling is measuring a small portion of something and then making a general statement about the whole thing. Process of selecting a number of units for a study in such a way that the units represent the large group from which they are selected. कहने का आशा ये है कि सैम्पलिंग किसी एक बड़ी पॉपुलेशन में से एक स्मॉल पोर्शन को चयन की प्रोसेस है। वाई वी नीड सैम्पलिंग, क्यों इसकी आवश्यकता है? सैम्पलिंग मेक्स पॉसिबल द स्टडी ऑफ लार्ज डिफरेंट कैरेक्टरिस्टिक्स पॉपुलेशन। सैम्पलिंग is for economy, sampling is for speed, sampling is for accuracy, sampling saves the sources of data from being all consumed. कहने का मतलब सैम्पलिंग की आवश्यकता हमें क्यों है? पूरे होल पॉपुलेशन के कैरेक्टरिस्टिक्स और उनके एट्रीब्यूट्स का पता लगाने के लिए होल पॉपुलेशन को एसेस न करते हुए हम एक सैंपल का असेसमेंट कर लेते हैं, और एक सैंपल के जो कैरेक्टरिस्टिक्स होते हैं वो ही कैरेक्टरिस्टिक्स सारी पॉपुलेशन के होंगे। इसकी हेल्प से हमारे समय की बचत होती है, हमारे मनी की बचत होती है। इस कारण से हम इस सैम्पलिंग का यूज करते हैं। जनरल टाइप ऑफ सैम्पलिंग, प्रोबेबिलिटी सैम्पलिंग, नॉन प्रोबेबिलिटी सैम्पलिंग, that is random sampling or non random sampling. Non probability sampling or non random sampling, unequal chance of being included in the sample. Non random or non probability sampling refers to the sampling process in which the samples are selected for a specific purpose with a predetermined base of the selection. The sample is not portion of the population and there is no system in selecting the sample. The selection depends upon the situation. No assurance is given that each item has a chance of being included as a sample. There is an assumption that there is an even distribution of characteristics within the population, believing that any sample would be representative. Types of non-probability sampling and non-random sampling. There is 4 types of non-random sampling. Out of first type is judgment or purposive or deliberate sampling. Next one, convenience sampling. Third one, quota sampling, and fourth, snowball sampling. These are the type of non-random sampling. Judgment or purposive or deliberate sampling. In this method, the sample selection is purely based on the judgment of the investigator or the researcher. This is because the researcher may lack information regarding the population from which he has to collect the sample. Population characteristics or qualities may not be known, but sample has to be selected. In this method of sampling, the choice of sample item depends primarily on the judgment of the researcher. In other words, the researcher determines and includes those items in the sample which he thinks are most typical of the universe with regard to the characteristics of the research. Convenience sampling. Convenience sampling is commonly known as the unsystematic, accidental, or opportunistic sampling. According to this procedure, a sample is selected according to the convenience of the investigator. This is the convenience sampling. Quota sampling is a method. The sample size is determined first and then quota is fixed for various categories of the population, which is followed while selecting the sample. Or next one is snowball sampling. It refers to identifying someone who meet the criteria for inclusion in the study. Selection of additional respondent is based on referrals from the initial respondent. So these are the type of non-random sampling or non-probability sampling. I hope you all are satisfied with this session. If you have any query, please mention in comment box. I will resolve it soon. Thank you very much. See you again.